Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious Christmas cookies that you will ever make and taste. This is my most requested recipe. These are pistachio cookies. They are so soft and fluffy and almost melt in your mouth. This recipe video is dedicated to my sister. She is these pistachio cookies #1 fan and she has been asking me to do a recipe video for a long time. So it's finally here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, click down below and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new recipe videos. So to get started, into my stand mixer, I'm going to add 1 stick, which is a ½ cup of softened butter, along with 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also add almond extract if you want a stronger almond flavor, but I feel that the pistachio pudding already has a good enough almond flavor for me. And I'm gonna cream this all together. To that, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water, a 1/4 cup of canola oil, and 1 egg. And I'm gonna mix this all together again. Here I have 2½ cups of Bisquick. This is not the same as regular all-purpose flour. This is a baking mix which gives these cookies the fluffiest, softest, chewiest texture. To that, I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and the secret to these cookies, 1 package of pistachio pudding. This is a 3.4 ounce package. I'm just gonna dump that in here. That's also going to give the cookies a beautiful green color. Now with my whisk, I'm going to combine all the ingredients. And then to that, since these are pistachio cookies, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lightly salted, de-shelled pistachios. And I'm going to just chop these up. I'm just going to add these in here. Now into the butter and sugar mixture that we creamed earlier, I'm going to slowly add the dry ingredients. Little bit at a time, mixing after each addition. This is what the mixture should look like. And I'm gonna let this chill in the refrigerator for like 10 minutes just to set up a little more. So after 10 minutes in the fridge, this has set up a lot more. And then you can grab the dough and it'll still be kind of sticky, but you can still form it into little balls. And we're going to do that and add them onto the cookie trays. And what I'm going to do is just grab the dough and form some maybe like 2-inch balls of dough. You want to leave a good 1.5 inches of space in between them because these are gonna spread out. You could just flatten them a little bit, not too much. That should be good. I'm going to bake these at 350 degrees for 10 to 11 minutes. So after about 10 or 11 minutes, this is the cookies, and now we're going to let them cool at room temperature. Alright, so the first batch is done. Next batch. I'm going to flatten these out a little more. These are the cookies when they're done. They puff up a lot, but once you let these cool at room temperature, they flatten, but they're still really fluffy and crispy. So here are the pistachio cookies. Look at the back of those. Perfect. They come out so soft, fluffy, and chewy, almost cloud-like. They have a vanilla and subtle almond flavor that just pairs perfectly together along with the little crunches of pistachio. Oh my god, these cookies are just heavenly. These are the best cookies ever, and I'm not just saying that because I made them. Honestly, this is my #1 most requested recipe ever. This recipe makes about 2 dozen cookies if you make them about 2 inches big each, and they do spread out from 2 inches to about 3-inch discs when they're baked. My camera didn't want to cooperate focusing on the cookies, but here is a beautiful close-up picture of them. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also, be sure to check out my blog. It will be linked ahead and down below in the description for the full written recipe and other delicious recipes.